Rest of them, I will count them absent. Ahad is absent, right? Okay. Then Ghazi Jivan
No,
is
sir.
absent. Then why didn't you
Sir,
speak your name? Then why didn't you speak your name at first?
sir, that was network issue. Is my problem.
Ghazi Jivan is also absent.
What, sir?
Still you are asking what, sir? Very good.
No.
Mohammad Reza Nayan is also absent. Okay. Mohammad Reza Nayan is absent. Fine. So, Nakwi, is it clear now? Nakwi is there or he left?
He is not there.
Great. Steph, can you see it clearly or is it blurred for you?
Sir, it is clear.
Great stuff. Okay, no issues. We don't have much time to waste on this. Let me take the marker. Here am I. Okay. Now here, yesterday I explained you five types of adjectives, and the name of these adjectives are quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, possessive. Each of these types I have explained you in brief, not in detail. Now today I'm going to explain you in detail. First of all, we need to revise what have we learned in yesterday's lecture. Okay. So the people who can see my screen clearly will speak their name and mute their mic.
Oh, Dolia.
Yes, sir. Asan Kapat.
Yes, sir. That's right.
Yes, sir. Say Khan.
Very good. So here five types of adjectives we have understood. Let me just give you the brief idea quickly, and then we will start with each type in detail. Whatever is written in your textbook will be shown here. Quality. Quality means what? It gives us the answer of how it is. If I say something is very much, okay. Let me give you one different example from what I have given in yesterday's lecture. Mm, okay, this food is very um, tasty. This food is very tasty. Now, tasty means what? It is a quality. It is showing you the quality. How it is? It is tasty, right? So, how it is? If it gives the answer of how, that means it shows the quality. Quantity. Quantity shows how much. You cannot count the quantity. I ate. I ate for suppose lots of rice. Rice, you cannot count one, two, three. You cannot count rice. It shows the quantity, how much less or more, or very much or very less, little bit. So these words are used in quantity. We can never count that. That is why I have written uncountable. Here, if I see number, number is exactly what you can count. I ate two bowl. You speak bowl, it is actually bowl. Bowl. It is bowl. I ate two bowl of rice. Rice you cannot count, but you can count bowl. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You can
Yes.
count the bowl of the rice, right? See, bowl. It is not bowl. It is bowl. I will speak bowl. So you have to understand. So I ate two bowl of rice. So here you can count the bowl. That is why it is adjective of number. But only if I say rice, rice you cannot count. Sorry, talking about the demonstrative adjective. Now, demonstrative adjective has four words in them. These, those, this, that. I will explain each of these words in detail when we come to demonstrative adjective in detail. Talking about possessive adjective, it shows that whose thing it is. These are my markers. Whose marker it is? Hello?
Yours.
My. Yours.
Not your, mine. I said mine.
Yes, sir. Mine.
Not your, it is mine. I'll not give you.
Your.
Give no, sir.
Yes, take it if you can.
It is your.
It is yours. You
Sir,
should
how
say
can we
yours.
take it online?
See, you asked
I
me that,
think there is
sir,
a
you.
app taking thing online.
No, but he said, no, sir, please give. I said, yes, okay, if you can. Obviously, I'm not going to leave the lecture, walk out of the classroom, and walk out of the school and come to your house. Come on. So, possessive adjective shows that whose thing it is. If I say, this is my iPhone, it is my only. So, my shows possession. If I say, this marker is yours, yours show the possession again. That whose it is yours. So, yours is also adjective, possessive adjective. So, possessive adjective in short shows us that whose thing it is. So this was the brief description. Now I'm going to clear the board and explain you each type in detail in the way with the examples given in your textbook. Be ready with the pencil, your rough book and your textbook if you have. And whenever you feel that I'm going too much fast and speaking very much fast, you can stop me and you can say, please repeat it. See, again, I wanted to show you this is your new textbook of grammar. See the cover page. If you don't have, don't worry. I am going to send you the PDF file. But anyway, this is the new. Okay. So first of all, you will understand adjective of quality.
Yes, sir. I said it there.
Okay. What have I written on the board?
Adjective of
Adjective
quality.
of quality.
Okay. Without Ayaz, this class looks empty.
Sir, I am here with the yes.
Yeah, that is what I was saying. That initially you were not there when I was asking for the attendance. That please speak your name. But now you came and I came to know that okay, this is the person who speaks a lot. Who is this?
Ahad Dholia.
Sir, I can speak something.
Yes, madam.
Sir, I can't understand adjective of quality.
Adjective of
Quality. Quality.
what? Quality or quantity? Decide first.
Quality. Quality.
So what am I going to explain you, madam?
Adjective of quality.
Then why are you speaking it? Still, I have not started the detailed explanation. So, do you want detailed explanation, madam? When I ask you the question, the answer should be yes or no. You cannot remain silent.
No, sir.
You don't want to understand adjective of quality in detail?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Okay, then mute your mic and try to understand. Okay. Now here I have written adjective of quality and these are the examples given in your textbook only. Okay, honest man, true incident, tall giraffe, bright color. Now here, Seth, first of all, tell me what is the adjective of quality here? I think Seth is busy in playing with rabbit.
Yes, sir.
He's saying, yes, sir, you are playing with rabbit. Very bad.
No, no. No.
What is the adjective of quality here
Adjective of quality.
in the first line?
First line. Uh, एक मिनट रुक सकते हैं? Half first.
Which language are you speaking? What is written first of all?
Honest man.
Okay, so what is adjective of quality here?
Honest.
That is what I was asking. I think your concentration is somewhere else. I need to call your parents. Honest man. Here, honest is adjective of quality. It shows that how the man is honest. Like I said, that adjective of quality shows you the quality of anything. Here, honest men. So, honest shows the quality of men. How the man is? Man is honest. So, it gives the answer of how. Moreover, it tells us about that person's quality. Honest man. Honest, therefore, is adjective of quality. Ahad, are you there? Tolia Ahad,
Yes, sir.
read the second line.
True incident.
What do you mean by true incident? Can you just explain me?
Mm,
Just whatever you can. If you are wrong, I will not scold you.
Just true imagination.
True event. Something which is happened in the real life, it is called true incident. Okay. So, true incident. How is the incident?
True.
Okay. So, it gives the question, answer of how. True gives the answer of how. So, true is adjective of quality because it tells us the quality of incident. How is the incident? It is true. So, it gives the answer of how. Moreover, it tells us the quality about the incident, that event. That event is imagination or true, it is true. So true is adjective of quality. Okay, mute your mic. Ayas,
Yes, sir.
read the third example.
Sir, I can see the screen, but it is very much blur.
Okay, madam, mute your mic. Hassan, can you read the third example?
Yes, sir. Tall giraffe.
Okay, tall giraffe. So here, what is the adjective of quality?
Tall.
Why?
Because, sir, he's telling that giraffe is tall. How the
Sir is
giraffe?
telling.
No, sir.
Sir, you said sir is
Here,
telling.
here is telling that how the giraffe is that is tall. The giraffe is tall. So how?
Toe giraffe is told. Toe. What is toe? Toe is not English word. You need to speak proper English if you're speaking. So the giraffe is tall, as it is written in the example, tall giraffe. It tells us that how giraffe is. It gives the quality of giraffe. Okay. Moreover, it gives the answer of the question how. How it is. It is tall. So tall, therefore, is the adjective of quality. Now, who will read the last example? Shafiq, are you there? Paryani Shafiq. Okay, Shafiq is not ready to read, no problem. Who is ready for reading the last example?
Sir, our Dolia is red.
Ahad Dolia. Yes, Ahad Dolia, read the last one. If you say I am ready, that means you are on the spot ready to read. You cannot take so many seconds. We don't have so much time.
Sir, 2 minutes. Bright,
Two more. Yeah.
bright, and then neighbors.
There is even lot of disturbance in your mic, beta.
No, sir. I am sitting alone.
We can feel. You are sitting alone, but you are moving, shaking the mic somewhat like that. When I'm speaking, you need to listen to me.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm telling you that read it properly, clearly, so that I can explain it to you if you really want to understand.
Sir, but I am sitting alone.
I'm telling you, read it properly so I can explain it to you properly.
Bright color.
Okay. So, what is the adjective of quality here?
Bright.
Why it is adjective of quality? Can you explain, please?
Because the bright describes how is the color.
How the color is. If it gives the question of how, then it is adjective of quality. That is what my point was. Okay. So, Ahad, you asked me that you don't understand adjective of quality. Do you want me to explain to you again?
No, sir. I explain.
Are you sure, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here students, in your textbook, in the yellow box, the definition is given. An adjective that describes the kind of person, place, animal or thing is called adjective of quality. So what kind of it is? What kind of? Now here, what kind of color? Bright. What kind of giraffe? Tall. What kind of incident? True incident. What kind of man it is? Honest person. So here it describes how it is, what kind of it is. It shows the quality of that particular thing, animal or person, or the place also. So if I say that it is a very big school, big is adjective of quality. It shows what kind of school? Big school. Am I clear? Yes or no? All the boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I
Yes,
will keep
sir.
this as it is. Let me write another type quantity here. No, I will write quantity and number side by side so you can understand the difference between quantity and number. Okay. See, at any point of time, if you have doubt, you can ask me. Like Ahad asked, and his doubt is solved. So please ask me on the spot. Again, rabbit's brother.
Yes, sir.
What is the first example written?
Several children.
Several children. So what do you mean by several?
Few.
No, both are opposite.
Um, mm,
I gave you the hint. Both are opposite what you spoke.
sir, few children. Many.
Yes, many. Several means many. So many children. See, there is no children's in English. Child means one, children means many. Here they have written many, many children, several children. Okay. So, Seth, what is the adjective of quantity here?
Several.
Okay, your answer is right, but tell me why it is adjective of quantity.
Because there are many.
I'm telling you the word several is adjective, it shows the adjective of quantity. Why it is adjective of quantity? Like quality gives the answer of how. Quality gives the answer of HOW how. Quantity gives the answer of what?
Because several is showing number.
It is not showing number. Don't mix up. Several is showing how much or how many. But you cannot count here. See, several children. I know you can count the children 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 number of children. But here, if I write the sentence, several children came to school. In that sentence, can you count the students? No. Why? Because number of students are not written. Several children came to school. Only several is written. So several shows the quantity. How many? Several children came. If it was written, 7 children came to school, then it is adjective of number. This is what I wanted to explain you. Here, several children came to school. So you have to just see the sentence that several children came to school. Can we count the children? No, because several is written. Number is not written. Okay. So here it is adjective of quantity because it gives the answer of the question how many, but not in number. If you want, you can write it down. Or else it gives the question, answer of the question, how much. Several is adjective of quantity because it does not give the exact number. It only shows many or less, very much, very less. These words are used in adjective of quantity so that we cannot count. We can just approximate, have the idea, okay, this many might be there. Several means now you know many students. Okay. So hold on. Okay. Any doubts in first example, then please ask me. Then I can move towards the next example for the same thing. Hello?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. So if I write the sentence here, Hassan, what have I written?
Yes, sir. There are many birds on tree.
Okay. So can you count the birds? You can count the birds on the tree. Okay. But you cannot count the bird in this sentence. You have to just see the sentence. Because here number of birds are not written. What is written? Instead of writing the number, what is written on the board?
Many.
Many is written. So if numbers are not written, if you just get the idea, many, few, whatever, then it comes into adjective of
Quantity.
okay. So this is what I wanted to explain you. Yes, Arman, are you there? Gauri Arman. No problem. Zed. Zed was there, I think. Okay. Who else is left? I think Nayani Mohammed Riza.
Yes, sir.
Who is this? Mohammed Riza is speaking.
Yes.
Mohammed Riza, what is the second example? Please read it.
Second example. See me rice.
Some rice.
Some rice.
Some rice. So what is adjective of quantity here?
Hmm. Quantities.
First of all, rice means what? Mohammed Reza. Rice means what?
Rice means. Rice means
Speak, come on, whatever you know.
seeds. Seeds.
Hmm?
Seed.
The rice you eat, right? In your
Yes.
lunch or dinner. But what is the meaning of some? Some.
Some means thoda sa.
Yes. So what shows the quantity of rice?
Quantity rice.
What is the adjective of quantity here?
Quantity of rice.
How much is the quantity in this example?
Quantities.
Mohammed Reza, listen to me. Don't try to run your mind in the wrong direction. Did you read this example?
Some rice.
Okay. So how much rice?
Thoda sa.
Yes. Some is written, right?
Yes.
So some, the word some shows that how much is the rice? Very less.
Very
That means
less.
some. So some shows the quantity, correct? How much rice? Some rice. You cannot count the rice. So some is adjective of,
Quantity.
yeah, that is what I want to explain you. Fine. So is there any doubt, students? Please ask me right now. Come on, adjective of quantity.
No, sir, no
No,
doubt.
no doubt.
Okay, who want to read the first example?
Sir, or Dolia,
Yes, Ahad.
seventh game.
Seventh game. So here, what is the adjective of number?
Seventh.
Very good. Why?
Because it,
It shows the number. It
yeah.
shows the number that how which game how many games have you played? This is the seventh game. It shows the number. Now if I say that your class, listen to me very carefully.
Sir.
Your class is on the fourth floor. So what is the adjective of number here?
Fourth. Fourth.
Very good. There you are. Now you have clearly understood. Okay. Now who else wants to read the second example?
Son?
Yes, Hassan.
Yes. 23 years.
My age is 23 years, so I have written. Otherwise, in the textbook, it was 26 years. So, yes, Hassan, what is the adjective of number here?
23.
Very good. Now, I think I don't need to ask you why it is adjective of number. It shows the number. That's it. Who wants to read the third one? Hassan, just see, rabbit has gone.
Yes, sir. See. No, sir, he is there.
By rabbit, what do you mean, Hassan?
Sir.
You also got his name now? Okay. Yes, Rabbit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
I hope you don't mind me calling you that. It is just a joke and make you happy. That's it. Can you read the for example?
Yes. One dish.
I know that you will eat 4 to 5 dishes if I give you, but here it is written one dish. What can I do? So, what is the adjective of number here?
One.
And why?
Because one is a quantity.
Eh? Hold on. One is quantity.
Mm,
One is number, no? One number. One, two, three, four.
number is this. Mm.
Okay, Steph, let me test you. I'll give you one sentence.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Beta?
Hello, sir.
Yes, who is this?
Sir, your screen is not clearly.
Who is that?
Sir,
Shafiq is
Puryan,
saying Pariyan is not visible.
Okay, no problem. Seth, let me give you one question. If I say that I secured third rank, I secured third rank. What is adjective number here?
Third.
Great stuff. Okay. Any doubts so far? Just have a look. The difference. What is the difference? I'll give you a few seconds and then I'll ask you more questions because I don't want to just finish it off. I want you to make yourself excellent in this topic. And by the way, what do I say? How many students can see the screen clearly?
Dasare Mohammed Saif.
और बोलिए तू.
Wow,
Yes, sir. Hasan Kapasi.
very good.
Sir, till clear, but now blur because the mic is on.
Yeah. No, that doesn't matter because here is the Wi-Fi. So no, as soon as I come out of the screen, no, it gets blurred. Screen also needs
Yes,
Rohan sir
sir.
to get clear.
Yes, sir. It is focusing on you, but you are also being blur.
No problem.
No, sir. Camera is only seeing the board, not you.
Good. Hassan, what is the time by the way?
9:25.
Great stuff. So any doubt so far in these three topics, quality, quantity, and number, I have explained you.
No, sir. No doubt.
So should I leave or should I continue the lecture?
Sir, continue the lecture.
Okay, but you only want, no problem, let it be. Now I'll go.
Sir, all tell that continue the lecture. Continue.
No, I have to leave because the next class might be waiting for you. Next teacher might be waiting for you. So still I'm asking you. Yes, Ahad has raised the hand. Yes, Ahad, beta. What happened?
Yes, sir.
You have raised your hand. What happened?
Sir, what